Next one, last one, from 8.36 to 8.40, multiple choice questions. 8.36, 8.37, 38, 39, 40. So these are multiple choice questions. So in organic compound, CH2 double bond CH, CH2, CH2 bond C triple bond CH, the pair of hybridized orbitals involved in the formation of C2C3 bond. C2C3 bond means second carbon and third carbon. So it is the first carbon, it is the second carbon, it is the third carbon, 4, 5, 6. So high priority is the alkene, so compared with the alkyl. So we will give number from left to right. So the second carbon is this one, third carbon is this one. So second carbon hybridization double bond. Double bond means sp2. Third carbon means both sides single bond. Single bond means sp3. So sp2, sp3. So C option correct. So C option correct. Next, 8.37. In the last sign test, the Persian blue color. The Persian blue color is Fe4, FeCN6 thrice. Fe4, FeCN6 thrice. So this one. So Persian blue Fe4, FeCN6 thrice. This one. Next, which carbocation is more stable? 8.38. Which carbocation is more stable? Generally, tertiary carbocation is more stable. So tertiary carbon, it is the primary carbocation, it is the tertiary carbocation, it is primary carbocation, it is secondary carbocation. So tertiary carbocation is more stable. So tertiary carbocation is the more stable because it has 9 alpha hydrogens. It has 9 alpha hydrogens. So 9 hyperconjugation structures. So it is the correct answer. Next one. 8.39. The best and the latest technique for isolation of, purification and separation of organic compound, crystallization, distillation, sublimation and chromatography. So the best latest technique for purification is chromatography. So chromatography is the latest and best technology. So D option is the correct. Next, last one, the reaction CH3CH2I aqueous KOH gives rise to CH3CH2OH plus Ka. So it is classified as electrophilic substitution, nucleophilic substitution, elimination, addition. Here it is the alkyl halide, it is the aqueous KOH, then nucleophile substitution. So it is the SN reaction. SN means nucleophilic substitution. Nucleophilic substitution. So nucleophilic substitution B. B is the correct answer. So alkyl halide involved in SN1 and SN2 mechanism. That means nucleophilic substitution reaction. So thank you. Please subscribe and comment please.